Human progress relies on diversity of thought. We're living in a time where most people have heard of neurodiversity, have heard of autism, ADHD, dyslexia, and so on. However, we are not yet living in a world where people who think differently are defined by their strengths. If you've got one of those brains that processes things differently, learns differently, then you stand out, and not necessarily in a good way. Sometimes, just generally, neurodivergent engagement looks different, and fun fact, that is not a bad thing. When it comes to teamwork or workplace culture, all too often our reliance on conformity buries the advantages that are waiting to be unlocked. Well-meaning workplaces that want to get things right are often choked by their own policies, methods, or workplace culture. By the way, did you know I can blindfold solve 10 of these at the same time? Assign letters to those tiles, A, B, C, D, and so on. Make words out of those letters. Sonic 3 from the Mega Drive. So Cube 1 is the Emerald Hill Zone. You don't understand a word I'm saying, do you? But that's okay, because I do. And my brain is the only brain my methods need to make sense to. As a former teacher and a professional speaker, who's also autistic in case you haven't noticed, I've worked with people nationally and internationally, from India to Sydney Opera House, helping a wide range of companies make the most of the humans they have and break down those obstacles that prevent meaningful teamwork. Isn't it a shame my autism is holding me back? It's almost like we should meet neurodivergent people where they are, rather than making judgmental comments about their behaviour. When we're given an opportunity to play to our strengths, boy can we play to our strengths. Diversity among humans is not just an inescapable fact, it's an enormous advantage. When we develop habits of listening to people who think differently, we can utilise the whole of human neurodiversity, leaving an impact on the workplace that is truly transformational.